Hi YouTube, this is how the washer came out. I put cardboard box and this actually opens. That's the washer. This one's the dryer. There's a pattern on here, I already put it on here. It opens. It did the same thing. Here goes the bathroom sink and the toilet and the refrigerator, and it actually opens, and then I put cardboard box for the food to go, and then you could like close it, but that's how it goes. And then this is the kitchen sink. Got a little one, a big one, and actually you can open it too, and there goes the shelves inside. You can use Perler bead shelves if you want. You could actually do it that way. You can make two of these if you want, or you could just open it. But that's how it's gonna stay and look, so I don't know. But yeah, that's what I did, and the pattern's on here, so if you want to make your own, whatever, I don't care, go ahead. I don't care what you do, sell it, I don't care. Make the pattern. Doesn't hurt me. Alright, bye, thanks for watching.